Hey guys, on this side from Keshu Indoors, and I welcome you one and all. I was about to say in Hindi only, but because that's the ritual, we follow. So I welcome one and all. Everyone is very, very welcome in the lecture, guys. So today we are going to revise the logarithm. Today we are going to revise the logarithm part. Now the target is in the English part we are going to upload all the revision, all the possible revision, whichever are the possible, and we are going to upload all the lectures on the YouTube itself, so you can enjoy the lectures. Just a second. Yes, now let's start the discussion. I hope everyone is quite aware of the that you have to use the tricks as well, and you have to do, because the trick saves a lot and lot of times, which is not saved by anything else. So let's come on the point, guys. Let's come on the point. First, let's try to revise all the basic properties which we had studied in the chapter of logarithm. Let's come on, guys. So the very first was a simple and very simple, that is log a base b can be written as, tell me beta, fast. Log a base b is log a by log b. Yes or no? Yes. Log a base b is known as log a by log b. Now tell me one more thing. What is log a base b can be known as? Log a base b can be known as 1 by log b base a, because that's nothing but we are just making it inverse or reciprocal, whatever you can say, and that's how we are just defining the properties. Okay, and that is very easy for us to understand in the whole prospectus. Okay, sir. Now let's move ahead. Just a second here. Sorry. So moving ahead, that was very simple task. Yes. What was the third property, sir? Log a to the power 1 is, acha, do we know that log 1 is 0? Yes sir, log 1 is 0. So if 0 is in division, anything could be possible, so answer is always undefined. Like if a base 1 is there, can I say log 5 base 1 is undefined? Log 8 base 1 is undefined, because the lower term is 0. Just do it on your calculator. Just take out your calculator and do it. 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is 0, but with e. E means error. So the final answer is, if 1 is in the base, answer is your undefined. Acha. If we go to fourth, what is log 1 base a? Log 1 base anything, answer is always 0. Why, beta? You need to understand this thing, because if 0 is in the numerator, answer is always 0. That should be reminded by everyone. If 0 is in the numerator, answer is always 0. And if 0 is in the denominator, answer is always undefined. Fifth property, log a base a is what? Sir, log a base a is 1. Why? Because I can write it as log a by log a. Now whenever I write it as log a by log a, my answer will be cancelled, because log a to log a will be cancelled. Sixth small thing, what is log a base b into log b base a? So if log a base b and log b base a is there, answer is again 1. Why this is so? Because we know that it will become log a by log b, and that will become log b by log a. Now just focus on one thing. Can I cancel this log b to this log b? Yes. Can I cancel this log a to this log a? Yes. So my final answer will be 1 only. So we have to revise the entire chapter, and we are going to do it, guys. That's an easy task. Chaliye. Seventh is the most important property, which is log b. I can write it as log a b to the power n is n log a. Tell me with again. Log a to the power n is n log a. Last time, log a to the power n is n log a, because always remember this thing. Always, if anything is in the power, it can come ahead. Just tell me one thing. Can I write it as log 8 as log 2 to the power 3? Yeah, we can write it as log 8 as log 2 to the power 3. Now when I'm writing it log 8 as log 2 to the power 3, will 3 will come ahead? Yeah, it will become 3 log 2. Can I write log 25 as log 5 square? Yes, it will become 2 log 5. Is that very simple? Yes. 8. Log a plus log b is equals to log a b. But the most important thing is base should always be same. Now, sir, how can we do this? Just tell me one thing. Can I write log 5 plus log 4 as log 5 into 4? The moment I write it as log 5 into 4, my answer will become log 20. Now it might look like, sir, log 5 plus log 4 is log 9. No, my friend. Why? Because if you are just adding it directly, there would be no sense of getting the logarithm. Logarithm has their own properties, their own calculations. So can I say that log a plus log b is log ab? Yes or no? Yeah. I can also, we know that this is nothing but just log a into b. This can be written like this as well. Sometimes this create confusion. I don't know why, but some people get confusing in this thing as well. Okay. Ninth property. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Now tell me one thing again, the base should be same. Now what I'm doing is I'm just dividing it directly. Like if log a minus log b is there, I can write it as log a by b. Now, but before moving ahead, you need to know one more important thing. If I'm writing it this like this, so I am not taking b as base. I am taking it like this. Let me make it little easy for you. Can I write it like this? Yeah. My base is n, not b. I am directly dividing this. Like let's suppose if the value is there, log 80 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. Now tell me one thing. The final answer will be log 80 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. Now tell me one thing. Log 80 by 2 base 4 will be there. So answer will be log 40 base 4. Sir, can I write it as 4 into 10? Yeah, that what you can write it as, that's a different matter. Okay. What you can write after this is a different matter. But before this is a different matter. So do you remember all these things, my friend? Yes, sir. Let's do it again. Log a base b is log a by log b. Log a base b can also be known as 1 by log a log b base a. Log a base 1 is undefined. Log 1 base a is 0. Log a base a is 1. Log a base b into log b base a is also 1. Log a to the power n is n log a. Log a base n plus log b base n is equals to log a b base n. Log a base n minus log b base n is log a by b base n. Obviously, I can tell you one thing, that I can write log a plus log b as log ab. That also means that I can write log ab as log a plus b. Like I can write, if I am writing 4 into 10 is log 40. So I can also write log 40 as 2 into 20, 4 into 10, whatever it might be. So both the relations are possible, guys. This has some relationship with this and this has the same relationship with that. You need to just know about all these things, all these things are basic stuff. Chaliye. Next. Yes, sir, we all remember this thing. Now, do you remember that two tricks to solve any logarithm? Yes, sir, we know that thing. Now, this time I'm going to take some different values. So, if you had solved the logarithm before, it will be very fun for you. Okay. So, one is 13 times root. 13 times. So, and one is 19 times. What you have to do is, you have to just have root for 13 times minus 1 into 227695, and that side it will be root, this will be 3558 and root 19 times minus 1 into 227695. Yeah, can you solve the values? Yes, sir. Let's solve the values together so that it will be a fun for everyone. Acha, what is log 4? Log 4. Sir, let's calculate the value. Yeah, do it with me. 4. Have the root for 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, okay. I know that you guys cannot see the calculator correctly right now. We are just doing some setups right now. It is going on. So in the next class, you would see a better setup than this. I assure you these things. Okay. So you had did 13 times root minus 1 into 3558. So 4 root for 13 times minus 1 into 3558. Is your answer is 0.60215? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, meanwhile, let's calculate with log 4 with 19 times root as well. What you have to do is 4, then root for 19 times minus 1 into 2, 27695. Okay, so 4 now how many times root? You have to enter for 19 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, it's done for 19 times. Minus 1 into 227695. Sir, value is coming as 0.6020. Which among the value is absolutely correct? We all know that 19 times root value is absolutely correct. There is no doubt in that 19 times root trick is better than 13 times. Still, to save times, to get everything, we use 13 times tricks. Do you know this thing? Yes, sir. But try to understand. For 19 times, for the 13 times root, take only 3 values after point. Because that 3 values are the most accurate kind of the thing, So try to always take only 3 values after the point. That would give you the most accurate value. Okay, guys? Chaliye. Acha, what is the value of log 20? You have to calculate it. You have to calculate it. Would you love to do it with me? Yes. Chalo. So, what is the value? 20. Let me come this side. 20. Now, how many times root you have to enter? 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I assure you, next class you would see minus 1 into 3, 5, 5, 8. In the next class, you would be seeing a very good setup. Then this, I can tell you these things. Just want to have it for the last time because, we are in the some things. Chaliye. So answer is coming 20, then root for 13 times minus 1 into 3558. So value is coming as 1.301362883672, but you have to just take the value as 301. Okay, so what value you are going to write is only 301, which is the correct and the most accurate value. So after one, we are just going to have 3 values only. I have to just check it out. Yeah, everything is going perfect. Okay, let me take one more question as we are taking it. Let's take log 50. What is that, beta? Find out fast. What is a log 50? Lala, tell me one thing fast. Chalo. Otherwise, Sheila auntie will come. If you can't solve it, comment the Sheila auntie who remember that what is the Sheila auntie was. What was Sheila auntie? I intentionally say after 12-13 minutes so that I can see that how many of you remember Sheila auntie. We can't forget it. Chalo. 50. Now how many times do you have to enter for? 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Minus 1 into 3, 5, 5, 8. Is your value coming at 1.6994996922? Yes, sir. So that's how can we calculate any logarithm value? Yes, boss, we can calculate any. We can calculate any logarithm value. That's not at all an issue. That's not at all an issue. We can calculate any logarithm value. Now, moving ahead, just coming on one point. Do you remember that you have to remember so many values of logarithm? Yes, sir. You have to remember so many values of logarithm. Now tell me, what is log 0? Can you find the value of log 0? You have tricks. You have 13 times root minus 1 into 3558. You have the trick. Can you find the value of log 0? No, sir, because 0 root is 0. And if we multiply it with minus 3558, our answer is minus 3558. And if we multiply it with minus 227695, our answer is minus 227695. So we know that log 0 is undefined and the value of log 0 cannot be known. Okay, very good. It's brilliant. Now what is log 1? Log 1 is because you have root. Okay, can you calculate it now? Yeah. 13 times root minus 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Obviously. Now 0 into anything. Answer is 0. See, if you don't know and if you don't remember the values, solve it over the calculator. Do it right now. Don't wait for anyone to come. Are you getting my point? So try to solve right now. What is log 0? What is log 1? What is log 10? Try to solve it right now. Okay. Log what is log 10? Now tell me what is log 10. Do it. As I told you. Yes, 13 times root minus 1 into 227695. Log 10 is 1. Now what is log 100? Tell me the value of log 100. 100, 13 times root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 into 3558. Your value is 2. What is log 1000? Now you can say it is 3. What could be log 10,000? It would be 4. What would be log 1 lakh? 5. Do you understand the concept, beta? See, importance is always of concept rather than anything else. If you understand the concept, the whole game would be easy for you, and if you don't understand the concept, the game is difficult for you. Now tell me, log 0 is undefined, log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1, log 100 is 2, log 1000 is 3. See, if 1 has 1 0 with it, it is 1. If 1 has 2 0 with it, it is 2. If 1 has 3 0 with it, it is 3. If 1 has 4 0 with it, it is 4. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now tell me what is log minus 10. What is log minus 10? Yeah, sir, we can't find the value of minus root because our root is not in relationship with negative numbers. So can we find the negative logarithm? Like minus 10 is not possible, minus 5 is not possible, minus 8 is not possible. All these negative observations or all the negative numbers are not able, we can't calculate the value of all these things. Yes or no? Yes. But before that, just tell me one thing. What is log 0.1? What is log 0.1? Tell me the value of log 0.1. Boss. Log 0.1. Do it. 0.1. Now 13 times root minus 1 into 3558. You can pause the video and you can solve the question. Okay. So it is minus 1. It could be 0.99. It could be minus 1.00 something in your calculator. That depends. That vary as per the calculator and calculator. Yeah, you can order Kittas calculator. That is for sure. From the link in the description box below, you can order that if you want. Not anything like that. Okay. So what is log 0.01? Log 0.1 is minus 1. Log 0.01 is minus 2. What is log 0.001? It is minus 3. What is log 0.0001? It is minus 4. Isn't it very easy? Yes or no, guys? Yes, sir. So we know that all this value can be solved by us. Is there any issue in that? No, sir. There is no issue in that. In the whole case, it is easy. That value of log 0 is undefined. Value of log 1 is 0. Value of log 10 is 1. Always remember, just tell me, who is the base? Sir, log 10 is base always if it is not given. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Log 10 is base always. Now tell me one thing. 2 points. Negative log can not be solved. Negative log cannot be solved, but value of log can be negative. Do you remember this thing? Yes, sir. We can't find minus 10, but value can be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That means value of log cannot be, value of negative log cannot be found. We can say negative log cannot be found, but value of log can be negative. Second point. If log is less than 1, value of log is negative. If log is less than 1, value of log is negative. Sir, is it always? Yes. Why? Because are you doing minus 1? Like if you do it any number less than 1, if you do root, it would be less than 1 only. Okay. And then if you are making 1 minus on it, your answer would be definitely negative. Yes or no, guys? Yes, sir. So value of log is negative when your log is less than 1. Is that clear? Kya? Yes. So I believe that was a very short revision of logarithm. I hope you guys understand it. You can do some questions on it. All the questions are on this only. more importantly, I want to know in the comment box which next video you want me to upload it. Until unless we don't know that which video you want, we can't upload it, guys. So I would request you to please update me in the comment box that next which chapter you want me to upload it. So I think that's it. Thank you so much for your participant. Bye bye. Take care. See you guys. See you in the next video. But before that, just let me know the next topic. Then only I can upload the video, because we want to upload that video which is required by you guys. Is that clear, guys? Yes, sir. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe the channel, like the video, and share in all the groups. You know it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Take care. Bye bye.